If you're considering an external streaming device, you might be wondering what there really is to watch out there. After all, don't you just have to pay extra to get all the stuff you really want? Not necessarily. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and when it comes to Roku streaming devices, there's actually lots of content to watch. Everything from blockbuster Hollywood movies to new and vintage TV shows, and of course all the goodness of YouTube. And while it has some of the most popular paid channels, there is also plenty to watch that won't cost you a thing. We're going to take a look at what you can watch on a Roku streaming device like the Roku Express, Roku Premiere, or Roku Streaming Stick Plus. And I'd like to thank Roku for sponsoring this post. Their sponsorship helps me keep the blog and the YouTube channel running, and truthfully, I've long been a fan of these devices. The wide array of content is just one reason. First things first, how do you add channels on Roku? To add a channel, press the Home button, then select Streaming Channels from the list on the left. You can also search for the channel you want. Surf through the available channels, then click on the one you want and choose Add Channel. What can you watch on Roku? Well, whether you have a Roku TV like the Hisense Roku TV here, or you're using one of the Roku streaming players, you'll have access to an array of streaming channels. Of course, you get the ones you expect, like streaming giants Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and the content-rich and free-to-watch YouTube. You'll also get the Roku channel. Comedies, award winners, classics, and more. You can stream hundreds of free movies by accessing the Roku channel. There's pages and pages of shows and movies to choose from, and it's constantly being updated. Apple TV and Disney Plus are now part of your Roku world too. When it comes to Disney Plus, subscribe and stream movies and TV series from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic directly on your Roku device. With Apple TV, you can set up a new account to access Apple's huge array of content, or you can log into your existing Apple TV account right on your Roku device to get all the same stuff you were getting on your dedicated Apple TV without the price tag of buying another one. You can browse, buy, or rent more than 100,000 movies and TV shows and buy individual episodes or entire TV seasons. Apple's new monthly subscription channel, Apple TV Plus, is also available on Roku streaming devices. This channel adds exclusive shows, movies, and documentaries from Oprah Winfrey, Steven Spielberg, Jennifer Aniston, and more. Apple TV Plus costs about $4.99 per month, but you can test it out thanks to a free 7-day trial. Want more channels? You've got it. Roku streaming players and Roku TVs have thousands of channels to choose from, and the list keeps growing, so check out the Roku channel store to see all the new and current channels. Did you know you can watch weather on Roku streaming players and TVs? Or the NHL channel, NBA, MLB, soccer, and UFC? There's dozens of sports channels available using your Roku TV or streamer, so whichever's your favorite, you've got a way to watch all the action. Sometimes you just want to listen to music. With Spotify, Deezer, and Tidal on Roku, you can tee up your playlists and surf all kinds of music right on your TV. Now, what about local content? If you've been reluctant to cut the cord to your cable provider because you want local shows, you can still get them using a Roku streamer. You can access a lot of Canadian TV on the Apple TV app on Roku, or try the Global TV app. Many of your favorite shows are available to watch free for a week after they first air, or get a free 1-week trial to see the depth of content from Global for yourself. With both free and paid channels and apps, you are bound to always find something on your Roku TV, Roku Streaming Stick Plus, Roku Premiere, or Roku Express. If you want to read more about any of them, head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com, where I have full blogs and write-ups as well as reviews of each of the streaming gadgets, and I've got some handy and helpful how-to videos for you there. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. You can catch me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always find me at Facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.